This is the final video to solve ErrValidationFailed 2FA login error in Star Citizen. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve ErrValidationFailed 2FA login error in Star Citizen. And I am going to share them with you. First, we'll clear the Star Citizen launcher cache. This method targets temporary files that might be corrupted or outdated, causing a mismatch in authentication tokens or session data. By clearing this cache, you force the launcher to rebuild these files, often resolving underlying data integrity issues that prevent successful 2FA validation. Next, ensure your system clock is synchronized. Two-factor authentication, especially time-based one-time passwords, relies heavily on precise time synchronization between your device and the authentication server. Even a slight discrepancy can cause the generated 2FA code to be deemed invalid, leading to the ErrValidationFailed message. Correcting your clock ensures these time-sensitive tokens align perfectly. Our third method involves resetting your 2FA setup directly through the RSI website. This is crucial when the issue might stem from a corrupted or incorrectly linked 2FA token on the server side or within your authenticator app itself. By performing a full reset, you invalidate any problematic existing tokens and establish a fresh uncorrupted connection, allowing for a clean 2FA re-enrollment. Finally, we will verify your Star Citizen game files. Corrupted or missing game client files, particularly those related to authentication modules or network communication, can interfere with the 2FA handshake process. Verifying these files through the launcher ensures all necessary components are intact and correctly configured, preventing client-side data inconsistencies that trigger validation failures.